Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will discuss about the tools or equipments which I use in my illustrations. Before I start the video, make sure you subscribe down below to join the illustration family. I basically use ivory sheet because these are really stable and thick. The sheet which we have to use now, that's totally depends on the medium, like what medium we are using for the base. If I'm using watercolors, then I prefer you to use a watercolor sheet instead of ivory sheet, because watercolor sheet gives you really good effect and it will enhance the overall look of your illustration too. Next, for my base, I use these student poster colors. These are really good. These gives a very bright and solid base to my illustrations. And next up, for folds and flares, I use these Luna Aquarelle 48 shade watercolor pencils. Yes, you can see that. These are really good. I mean, I have used so many other brands, but these are really good. These blends really well. These are lustrous and bright and easily available on stationeries too. So for making intricate embroidery designs, I use these empty pens. Like, can you imagine? From this empty pen I makes embroideries and it looks magnificent. Trust me. Great. So to make embroideries, what you have to do is you just have to doodle on sheet with this empty pen and shade your design or doodle with any desirable color, like any color you want. Next, miniature details. I use these jelly roll pens. These are really good. There are so many. I mean, they work on any medium. Like, there are so many other pens which doesn't really works good on poster colors and staedlers, but these are really great. You must use them. For making sequins and highlighted areas, I use these uniball golden and white pen. You can use silver also for, you know, shiny things. And for detailings, I use these micron pens. These are really good with fine tips. You must try these. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you guys like this video, smash the huge thumbs up, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.